Welcome to this installation tutorial video. I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Eventbrite Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install to choose an account where you want to install the app. Click on Continue and click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, click on Settings. Search for custom menu links and click on it. Head over to create new and click on it. You give an icon, a name, and you paste the URL. Choose a sidebar preference and you choose an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and click on save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account, click on the custom menu link and all the available apps is going to pop up right over here. Search for the app and click on connect. The second interface is going to pop up with all its features, such as documentation, and everything you need to begin the journey is right in here. We have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to configure your app. We have the setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Copy the redirect URL. Let's head to the account which we've created online. You click on your profile and you click on account settings. Then click on developer links and click on API keys. Click on generate API key. You give a sample name, last name, a company name, and you paste the redirect URL which we copied here. You give an application name and a short description. Toggle on these terms of use and you click on create a key. Then click on show API key. You're going to have your API key right over here. Copy your client secret, head to your account, click on start setup and you paste the secret key here. Copy the client ID, head to your account and you paste. Then you click on complete setup. This page is going to pop up. Click on allow and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and our team will assist you promptly, and as well schedule a one-on-one session with the support team. We have the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for assistance. Thanks for watching.